Hi there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start utilizing to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just scanning through, I like that you have your click to call phone number here and your request to service tab that surely helps with quick conversions. You'll have nice pictures and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1500 to 2000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a home page. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So in your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. One thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered strong side. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of these tips, you help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 235 backlinks coming from 48 referring domains or websites. These are backlinks anywhere you find one website linked to another via an anchor text. These links act like endorsement of your site from others, which Google should be the trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you're indexed for 89 keywords and getting about 30 hits to your website a month. So let's take a look at your keywords. There are some great local by intent keywords, and those are kind of the ones that you inquire about. The local by intent keywords are the locations and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly utilize them for any location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed the mechanics in your area in Google. What I see here is what you call the map pack, and down here is what you call the organic listing. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 searches on Google result page receives 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interacts with your business by clicking on your URL, than your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. As citations in your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have a Make an Appointment tab, click to call phone number, images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting about 441 hits to their website a month. They have 1.3k backlinks coming from 192 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. So let's take a look at their keyword. It looks like people search for their business name in particular. And they have a bit of local by intent keywords. They're all keywords can utilize in different areas you service. In conclusion, there's a high percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now implement this strategy a few ways that you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.